The Bank of America's Keep the Change program is a unique way to build savings by making everyday purchases with a debit card. Here's how it works. Every time a purchase is made, the bank automatically rounds up the amount to the next dollar and transfers the change into a savings account. For example, if a snack is purchased for $9.50, the bank charges $10, but deposits the 50 cents change into the savings account, effectively setting aside 50 cents in savings with each transaction. To enroll in the program, certain requirements must be met, including having a debit card, checking account, and savings account with Bank of America, being at least 18 years old, and having a Social Security or taxpayer ID number. Among other things, a minimum opening deposit of $100 is also required. Signing up for the program is straightforward. Simply go to the Bank of America app or website, log into online banking, navigate to the Keep the Change Savings program, and click Enroll Now. The benefits of the Keep the Change program are numerous, including access to a broad network of ATMs, preferred deals and rewards, and sophisticated online and mobile banking tools. The program also offers automatic savings, transfer preferences to a child's savings account, flexibility to enroll or cancel at any time, and the ability to monitor savings online or through the app. Additionally, the program is designed to prevent overdrafts, as the bank will terminate the transfer for the day if the checking account is over the limit. Overall, the Keep the Change program is easy to enroll in and provides several benefits to consumers, making it a great way to build savings effortlessly.